Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Natwest mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and go to google.com. Now in the Google search bar, search for Natwest Online Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to this page where you can click on Login to your manage your mortgage, or you can simply go and click login to log into your online bank services. As we are choosing to log into our mortgage account, we will go ahead and click this link and it will lead you to this login portal of NatWest where you can log in after you enter your mortgage account number, date of birth, surname, mortgage property postcode. Click login and then you can log into your NatWest mortgage account. Let me show it to you once again, guys. You should simply go to Google and search for Natwest Online Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears and scroll down. Click on Login to manage your mortgage and it will lead you to this screen where you can scroll down and you can write down your mortgage account number, your date of birth, your surname, your mortgaged properties code, and then click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your NatWest mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.